It's time to budget for February. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the February budget, and I'm a little bit nervous about this one. The reason why is because we have so much stuff going on in February, starting with my husband's birthday, then we have Valentine's Day, Super Bowl, my dad's birthday, and then we have our anniversary, and then we have my birthday. So we just have a lot of stuff going on, and I'm just nervous to see how the budget's gonna hold up. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to zero out the buffer. Okay, and it brings the 3,500 to the top. And now I'm going to select the categories for auto assign. So we're gonna do all of the monthly bills except for student loans because those are still paused. And I don't think I have a need for this debt snowball category anymore, but I'm gonna leave it there just for now. We're gonna do the mortgage. I'm gonna do the food categories, all of the lifestyle categories, and we'll do personal care and once per year. Okay, so ready to auto assign. We'll click that button, and then we'll do, why does it say, oh, these didn't save for some reason. Let me go back over these. Oh. Okay. Now, auto assign. Oh, we're still missing some. Mortgage. Is that it? Food. What happened? Okay. Now we can auto assign and we'll do underfunded. All right, and let's just go through everything. Let's see. Phone bill looks good. Internet, I can take $20 from this because it shouldn't be that much. Electricity, I'm recording this a little bit before February, so our electricity bill hasn't come out yet, but I think it's $189, so we'll just take $10 from this category just to be sure that we have enough. Gas, we're gonna take $50 from here because I only need about $150 for gas each month. Oh, I took too much. No, I didn't. Okay, we're gonna do water. That should be fine. Car insurance is the same every month. Life insurance is the same. Gym, that's just my Peloton membership, and that is the same every month. Apple Music is okay. We'll leave that. Medical bills $200. That's good. Mortgage is $1,388, which is good. Groceries, we had money left over from groceries in January, but I'm just gonna leave it there for now. Same with restaurants, I'll just leave that there for now. Spending money, household goods, all of these are pretty straightforward. We don't really change those throughout, or we don't really change those month to month. So those are good. Personal care is good. Once per year is good. You can see that it's on track because it's a rolling balance. Once I spend something out, then we put it back to the balance that it was the first time. So that's good. And then personal care, we already did. Okay, so we have $259.10 left, and I think I'm going to, I don't know. I think I'm going to split it between new car and my husband's school. So let's do $125 for school. And then we can do, where is it? New car. Then we can do $134.10 for new car. And I know in the Budget With Me videos from last year, I always had a savings challenge information towards the end of this video. But this year, my savings challenge is a little bit different. And so far, we are at $793.45. That's not quite at the goal, but we have a few days left in January. So be sure to check out the January Debt Snowball that's coming up in a week to see how we did with our January savings goals. And I do want to mention, since it's the end of January, but the month isn't quite over yet, I will have some money that will be left over in some of these categories, and I just go through at the end of the month and zero them out in our January budget. So I'll just click this and go back to January and zero it out there, and then I'll have more money in my ready to assign, and I'll be able to put that money towards our savings challenge or my husband's school or anything that I need to add money to. So that's how I usually handle leftover money at the end of the month, but you guys don't see it in these videos because I usually record them a day or so before the month changes. So I think this is good for our February budget. We don't have much money in the fun stuff and trips category, but when we get paid throughout the month, I put the $3,500 in our buffer category first, and then anything after that I can put towards some of our sinking funds and things that we're saving for. So that'll get funded a little bit at the beginning of February and again towards the middle of February, just to give us some cushion in there for whatever we decide to do. But I honestly don't think we're doing much this year. I think we're just gonna lay low, hang out, and stay safe. So now I want to hear from you. Have you already done your February budget? And if so, what things are you planning for? Let me know down in the comments. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.